To the crib, maybe we can solve.
Hey, so what's good, what's poppin'? Thank you guys for visiting my YouTube channel. If you are new, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you aren't new and you are already part of the family, what's poppin', what's good? So the previous video I made, I was taking down this this mess I call hair. I was doing a takedown basically video, not a tutorial, because people know how to take down their hair, and if you don't, seek a therapist. But anyways, this video I'm actually going to be doing a mask. I'm going to be doing the AZTEC, come on now, focus. I'm going to be doing the AZTEC Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask thingy bob. I'm going to be basically doing that, okay? So I'm going to be doing that. I usually put this on my face, oh, and it gives me such a glow, but today I'm going to put it on my hair. I'm going to put it on my face too, because usually my face breaks out when my hair is dirty and it's time for me to get my hair done. So hence why I did a takedown video, because it's time to get my hair done. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and use this AZTEC clay, and I'm also going to use some ACV, the Holy Grail Unspoken Bond apple cider vinegar. I'm going to go ahead and mix that with the AZTEC clay instead of mixing water. I don't know, I just feel like it gives it a better consistency, and plus it's really better for your hair. I'll be listing all the benefits of the clay, the apple cider vinegar, and what it can do for your hair and your skin, okay? So let me go ahead and get this mixing. I actually do not have like what's the thing called? No, but I actually do not have one of them like brushes, makeup brushes, whatever them things is called that you put on your face. I usually just put on some gloves, get it cracking, and put it on my face. Get it cracking. I can do the math. I make 90 songs to make you move your ass. Hey, and for the last 300 months, I made 16 albums with me on the front, and they bump. Okay, yeah, that was burnt rubber if y'all didn't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and smooth that on my face, smooth that in my hair, and then we go ahead and get to making this. So basically, I'm gonna put a little bit of this AZTEC clay into a bowl. Hold on, I should be showing you guys what I'm doing. So I got some of the AZTEC clay in a bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the apple cider vinegar to it, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix it to give it a good consistency for my hair and skin. Now while mixing this, if you add a little bit too much apple cider vinegar, you can just go ahead and add you a little more AZTEC clay, basically to even it out and balance it, because I have a lot of foam right here, but I actually wanted more of like a whipped consistency. So I'm going to keep stirring this. I'm actually going to go ahead and add some more AZTEC clay. I basically wanted to give me a like a muddy like consistency, you know, like how you get like the mud facial mask at spa. I kind of wanted to give me that kind of consistency. I'm going to stir it until I have like all the clunks out, because I don't want any clunks in my hair, because I don't want it falling on my carpet, period. See, I've got it to the consistency that I wanted it. I wanted it pudding like, yogurty, whipped, smooth. I wanted it smooth. I wanted a smooth consistency, and it's working out really well for me. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and put on my gloves, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair. I'm gonna apply it to my hair first. Ooh, hold on. I'm going to apply this to my hair first, and then I'm going to apply this to my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair in sections as I go along, and I'm gonna go ahead and damp my hair. I have my handy dandy spray bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with some water. And as I go along, I'm going to damp my hair first. Spritz, spritz, spritz. Clay, clay, clay. Next strand. Spritz, spritz, spritz. Clay, clay, clay. So to me, it's better to put product on your hair when your hair is a little damp, especially when it comes to anything, conditioning mask, any of these clay masks and stuff like that. I just think it's better to put it on damp hair. It will hold, it will stick, and it will sit very, very well when you do it with damp hair. So yeah, bear with me, guys, but this should only take a minute. So now that I have this on my hair, oh, like I can feel it getting hard. I can feel it getting like clay-like material, like a face mask. I can feel it getting like real rough and tough. But my hair do feel light. I can feel like a little tingling sensation on my scalp. I hope I'm supposed to feel that. Because if I'm not, then we have a problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap my hair up in this little trash bag, kitchen bag, grocery bag, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair up in that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and AZTEC my face. Now that I have that in the bag, I'm gonna go ahead and just start putting the mask on my face while it's detoxifying my hair, and I just can't wait to, you know, see and feel the results. So I went ahead and I put a mask on my face, and now I'm about to put my hair back in the bun. Girl had to get a thumbnail, so I'm about to put my hair back in like this little miniature pony. Not even a tail because it's just a pony. About to put my hair back in this miniature pony. My skin is like already drying up to the point where I'm not gonna be able to move my mouth. And so once it's completely dry, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower. I'm gonna wash my hair, condition my hair, show my hair some love, and then I'll come out and I'll show you guys what my hair looks like wet. And then I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like blow dried. Now, I usually do not blow dry my hair. I usually don't do my own hair, period, okay? Just like how certain women have to go to the nail shop every 2 weeks, every week. Some people have to get their eyebrows done or get it waxed. My necessity is my hair. I feel like when I get my hair done, I want to get the full treatment. I want my ends clipped. I want my hair washed. I want my scalp scrubbed. I want all of that. So this, I'm not used to doing this. Like, I'm only doing this because I'm going to get my hair braided tomorrow, and the person that's braiding my hair only braids hair. So That's the only reason why I'm doing this. But just stay tuned and I'll be back. So as you can see, I'm just out the shower. Face is feeling a little dry, but it's feeling like very tight. I feel like my pores have been cleaned. My hair is just as smooth as it wanna be. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Yeah, I can't wait to blow dry this because the shrinkage is real. Don't be surprised, like if the shrinkage is right here, just imagine where the actual length is, okay? So I'm gonna, this is enough talking because I'm wet. I don't like being wet. Giggity. I don't like being cold and wet, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair, and then I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay. So this is the ending result of my blow dry. Okay, so yes, my hair is nice and full. It feels really motion. I'm not gonna edit that out too, because bloopers mean real life, and I'm real as it's gonna get. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize this. I actually make my own homemade whipped shea butter. I'm gonna go ahead and get it. Hold on. Bam. So I make my own whipped shea butter. It's like a hair and skin moisturizer. It has like shea butter, vitamin E, coconut oil, jojoba oil. It has the wild growth oil in it. It has like all type of good oils in it, and so I put that on my skin. I put it on my hair. I put it on my baby skin and hair, because he's gonna be looking like 𝐿 in a second once his hair starts growing in. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair with this before I get my hair braided, just so it's set in and it sits in my skin and my scalp, and I'm just so entirely happy. But yes, this is the end result of my takedown, of my wash, of the mask. The mask did really well. I think I'm gonna do this once a month. It feels really soft. Ooh, trust me, I know what dry hair feels like. This feels really soft. It's soft, smooth, it smells good. Yes, it smells good and everything. Oh, I just love this. Next, and I hope you guys go ahead and follow this routine and go ahead and do a mask for your hair, and let me know down below in the comments how you feel about this. All right, so in the meantime and in between time, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
If finding somebody real is your fucking problem, bring your girls to the crib, maybe we can solve.